Meet Nicole. She went from just 85 subscribers to over 63,000. And last update from her, she was making $80,000 a month on YouTube. And the crazy part, she was about to quit YouTube completely. Now here's something most people don't realize. When you build a YouTube channel with over 60,000 subscribers, usually that doesn't mean anything, right? Most YouTube channels with 60,000 subscribers are not making a full-time income. But her channel was different because we helped her build a YouTube channel with over 60,000 engaged subscribers. And we helped her serve a super targeted audience. Let me tell you her story. Oh, and by the way, if you want to learn how to grow your YouTube channel like Nicole did, we've got a video in the description and the pinned comment below for you to check out. And you can book a free call with my team to discuss your YouTube goals. All right, so a few years ago, Nicole was working in cybersecurity. She had valuable knowledge and she knew how to help people break into this high-paying field. So she started a YouTube channel and she started uploading. And she wanted to help people start careers in cybersecurity. But there was a problem.
A few years ago, I started a channel on helping people start a career in cybersecurity. As I work in cybersecurity, I was just uploading videos with no real goal or aim.
See, she was uploading videos randomly. No strategy, no plan, no system. And after many months of work, she had only 85 subscribers. That's it. She was frustrated and ready to give up.
Before I had talked to him, I was going to give up on the whole YouTube video thing. It seemed like a pipe dream.
Then something unexpected happened. I had seen her channel and I saw the potential. I saw a video of hers where she was talking about a school that I really like, which is WGU. And I knew that she was recommending really valuable information to her audience, but she wasn't doing it in the right way.
I think I had around about 85 subscribers. And that is when one day I get an email from Shane and he wants to meet with me and ask me about different types of careers and things of that sort.
So I reached out to Nicole, and I reached out because I saw something Nicole didn't see. She had expertise that people desperately needed, and she was giving amazing advice. And I always want to help creators that are truly, genuinely trying to change other people's lives. And when we talked, everything changed for Nicole. She went from thinking YouTube was a pipe dream to seeing it as a real business opportunity.
What Shane showed me was a strategy, and he helped me really believe that I could have a YouTube channel that gets consistent views and I could create an education-based business around it. My whole trajectory and strategy changed.
So we worked on three main areas. First, we created a content strategy. No more random uploads, every video had a purpose. Second, we identified her ideal viewer. People who wanted to break into cybersecurity but didn't know how. And it was also pretty obvious that she was a woman who broke into cybersecurity, so there were a lot of other women that would relate to her story. And third, we built a monetization system. We created products that actually help people land cybersecurity jobs. So if you're uploading videos without a strategy like Nicole was, then you need help. Click the link in the description, watch the video, see if it's a good fit for you, and book a call. Now, the results speak for themselves. Nicole went from 85 subscribers to over 60,000. But subscribers are just a number. What really matters is the impact and the income. Nicole reported to me that she was making over $80,000 a month. That's nearly $1 million a year. And she did this in the cybersecurity niche, a niche that many people think is too small or too technical.
Because of his advice, I was able to create a strategy for a relatively small niche that gets me leads for my product every month. And these are people who know and respect me making selling a product really easy.
Now, here's what makes Nicole's story special. She turned her YouTube channel into a system. It's not about her anymore. It's about the process. Every month, her videos attract the right people. People who want to work in cybersecurity. People who need her help. And these people know her, they trust her, and they respect her expertise. And when she offers her coaching, it's an easy yes. Why? Because she's already given them so much value for free. And here's something most people miss about building a YouTube channel. When you have 60,000 plus engaged subscribers in a professional niche, you become incredibly valuable to companies. They'll start reaching out to you for job offers. They'll start trying to partner with you with sponsorships or brand deals. In some cases, they may even offer equity in their company. That's happened to me several times. Think about it. If you were a cybersecurity company looking to hire someone, wouldn't you want someone who can teach? Someone who can communicate complex topics? Someone who has influence in the industry. So if for whatever reason her YouTube channel doesn't work out for her or her business shuts down, she will never have trouble getting high-paying cybersecurity job offers in the future. But here's the thing. She doesn't need those offers. Her YouTube business gives her more money and more freedom than she could ever get from a job. So what exactly does Nicole sell? Well, she helps beginners land high-paying cybersecurity jobs. And a lot of her students are women that relate to her story. And her students learn exactly what skills they need. They learn how to get certified. They learn how to build a portfolio, and they learn how to nail the interview. And most importantly, they get results. Her students are landing jobs that pay $70,000, $90,000, even up to $100,000 or $200,000 a year. Oh, and by the way, she usually helps her students get into a very specific high-paying type of cybersecurity job. That's another value add that she offers, is she tells them the jobs that pay the most and have the most demand. Now, the biggest change for Nicole wasn't tactical. It was mental. She stopped seeing YouTube as a hobby, and she started seeing it as a business. She stopped uploading random videos, and she started creating strategic content. She stopped hoping for views, and she started building systems.
She's really good at figuring out what your skills are and how you can create that into an education-based business, making your YouTube channel into a system that can work for you.
So, what can you learn from Nicole's story? First, it's never too late to start. Nicole had only 85 subscribers when we met. Now she has over 60,000. Second, you need a strategy. Random uploads don't work. You need a plan. Third, small niches can be incredibly profitable. Cybersecurity isn't a mainstream topic, but Nicole makes $80,000 a month teaching it. And fourth, your expertise is valuable. Nicole already worked in cybersecurity. She just needed to package her knowledge the right way. So listen, if Nicole can go from 85 subscribers to $80,000 a month, you can make a full-time income from YouTube. You just need the right guidance. So click the link to watch the video. If it's a good fit for you, book a call. And for a limited amount of time, we are going to be giving 5 free audits. These are audits that we usually charge people $1,000 for. But the first 5 people to click the link and book a call are going to get free audits where we'll go over your business, figure out what your goals are, make a plan to get there, and see if we're a good fit to work together or not. So here's how to follow Nicole's blueprint. Step 1, identify what you know that others want to learn. Nicole knew cybersecurity, and she knew how to get into cybersecurity as a woman, which is very rare. So what do you know? If you're thinking, Shane, I don't know anything, I'm not in a good career. This is what like 90% of my students say. And after we chat with them, all of them end up picking a really good niche. Step 2, start creating content consistently, not randomly, strategically. Step 3, build an email list from day 1. Every video should invite people to join your list. And step 4, monetize correctly. In this particular case, she created a high ticket product. This is something where she can work very closely with them so she can give them a true transformation, right? If you just sell a course or some type of digital product, you help them a little bit, but you're not helping them a lot. One-on-one coaching helps people a ton. Step 5, build systems so your channel runs without you. Document everything, hire help when needed, utilize AI effectively. This is what turns a personal brand into a hybrid personal brand. You get all the benefits of a personal brand and also all the benefits of automation. Step 6, think beyond YouTube. Your channel is a platform that opens doors that you can't even imagine yet. Now, I need to be honest with you. Not everyone is gonna make $80,000 a month. Nicole's results aren't typical, but here's what is typical. When you follow the right strategy, you get results. Maybe you'll make some side income, maybe you'll make 5K a month, 10,000, maybe 50,000 a month. Or maybe you just build a personal brand that gets you your dream job offer. But the point is, you'll build something real, something that provides value, and something that creates income. And here's what's beautiful about YouTube. Every video Nicole creates is an asset. It keeps working for her 24/7 for the rest of its life, which might be 10 or 20 years. And someone could watch a video that she made 2 years ago, then they join her email list, and then they end up buying her coaching program. And this is the power of YouTube. You create a video once, and it sells for you forever. And Nicole has hundreds of videos now, and each one is a salesperson that never sleeps. And you don't have to pay them after you initially create it. So final thoughts here, Nicole almost quit YouTube. She thought it was a pipe dream, and now she makes more money than most executives. And she has more freedom than most entrepreneurs. Plus, she's helped more people than she can ever imagine. And it's all because she didn't give up, all because she got the right guidance, all because she took action. So let me ask you, what's your excuse? Nicole started with 85 subscribers, and she was just about to give up. And you might have 0, and that's okay. Nicole didn't know about YouTube strategy. You might not either. That's okay. What matters is that you start. What matters is that you get help. What matters is that you don't give up. And look, I'm gonna be direct with you. You can keep watching YouTube videos. You can keep dreaming about success, and you can keep making excuses, or you can take action right now. Nicole took action when she got my email. She booked a call. She learned the strategy. She did the work, and now it's your turn. And I can only work with a limited number of people. My team gives personal attention to every client, and that's why we get results like Nicole's. So if you're serious, if you're ready, if you want to build a real YouTube business, then book a call call today. Links in the description and the pinned comment below. Click it now. On this call, we'll look at your situation, we'll identify your strengths, we'll create a roadmap to get you from where you are now to where you want to be. But you have to take that first step, because in a few months, you could be the next success story that I'm talking about. Speaking of success stories, check out how we helped Davis get to over 100K per month on YouTube and fully automate his YouTube channel to the point where he doesn't even have to record the videos himself by clicking right here.